One of the great features of the Model FI is the simplicity of folding and unfolding the device. To fold the device, first push the back support forward. Next, place your foot on the rear anti-tip board to secure the device in place. Reach to the front of the right arm to locate the release button. Press the button in, then grab onto the rear post and pull up on the post and back on the arm. You will hear and feel a click when it is completely folded. To unfold the device, start by placing your foot on the rear anti-tip bar. Next, grab onto the rear post and gently pull up. Push in the release button on the front right arm. Slowly allow the device to unfold until you hear or feel a click. Lastly, return the back support to its upright position.